Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily import TikTok, songs and audio into a Capcut, so let's jump right into it. It is very easy, so follow up with me. First open TikTok and choose the audio that you want to add. I'm going to use this one for an example. Let me play it for you. So yeah, pretty weird. Now just tap on the disc in the bottom right here. And then after that tap on add to favorites right here. Once it is added to favorites, quit the application and then go ahead and open Capcut and open your project. Tap on audio in the bottom, tap on sounds, and you'll find it right here, the Jade Screaming. Just go ahead and download it. Once it is downloaded, tap on the plus next to it, and it will be added to your video. Just like that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please guys like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.